I'll do it with you. 1, 2. Sound like a cow.
Whoa, you're blowing out a candle. Other end. Turn it around.
Other end, buddy.
Show Grandma. I'm right here.
Do it again. Harder.
Call those ducks in.
Turn it around. Blow like a candle.
Do the other end.
Oh.
Yep.
Blow.
You better put your earplugs in.
Oh.
Oh, they fell out. Uh-oh. You better go.
Here.
One.
Be caught.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. And I need this. I can't get it.
Do the green one.
And do this one. So blow out this end. Louder and louder.
I'm gonna blow out this end.
You're gonna blow the goose one?
Oh yeah.
Blow out that one.
Show, show Grandpa what you're doing.
Wrong hand. Wrong hand. Wrong hand.
Quietly.
Yeah.
Can't wake up Callista.
Blow the black one. What's that one?
That's a whistle.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't do the black
Yeah,
one.
don't do the black one.
Doing this one.
You want to do the shaky one? Other end.
Okay.
Okay. Good job. You want to do the shaky one now?
Yeah.
Remember we got to hold it up here? Like this. Watch. Watch me do it real quick. Ready?
Shake. Shake it.
I want the shaky one.
You don't want the shaky one? Okay.
You need Kevin's glasses on, buddy.
There you go. And Avid Hunter. Other end.
There's your camo.
Do it again. Do it again.
Maybe you did 100.
Someday.
You could do it for Halloween.
Yeah. Looks like an old man.
Or an alien.
Big gut.
That looks like you got diarrhea.
Here you go. What's your car?
Oh, I don't know. Have you done this one yet? Blow out the big end.